This is a collar mount for a Mevo Start. This is 2 aluminum halves connected with Allen screws. This slips over your camera. And then you just snug these up. Just doing that, that's really tight. You don't need to put that on any tighter than that. This slot right here will be as wide as this slot right here when you have this on correctly. That's how that goes on or comes off. Here's a collar mount on the FenceClip Heavy Duty. You see this has these threaded holes all over it so you can attach things to it like this little fan. And I can put this on the back of the camera as well. So I can do something like that. And I'll snug that up again. That's the collar mount. It comes with the Allen wrench. Thanks for watching.